bloody hell. Oh, that one hit. Right guys, so I just realised I'm out here filming videos. Look at that view guys. I'm out here filming videos. Realised England game started. It's 9 o'clock, England Croatia right now. So let me quickly get home. I've just filmed a POV drive on the way down here. My car smells of oil, fuel, like smoke. I've just been flaming everywhere. So I thought let's do a little drive on the way home. Some nice road here. So right now all these I can enjoy England match. It's 3 minutes past 9 and there's me just causing all this noise and havoc. So let me get some good roads and let me show you what these back roads are about. Ooh, these are bumpy. These are bumpy. The views are nice over here. How would we explain to Americans that this road is a 60 road? And that is 2 lanes as well. How would we explain to Americans that? Hell. Oh, that one hit. Let's cruise down here. Past these, past the pub where they'll probably be showing England game. to the turbo spooling up. Dodgy one that. Should have done this. That. Back into cruise mode. Oh, my eyes are watering, man. I was just so focused and my eyes are watering. Bloody hell. And it's all at 0 miles per hour. I need to get that sorted actually. Might get booked in this week. A nice little blast actually, that back road. Might have to film a few more videos there, you know. The road is quite good. Never done it before, my first time ever going on that road, and I'm not disappointed, I'll be honest. Look at the M3, you guys. What a colour on that M3. What a colour that is. I've actually got a video that's out of that car. It's me teasing him to try to rev it, but he didn't. I'll put a clip in right now. Hope you guys have enjoyed. I think that's all for this video, and subscribe if you're not already, and if you want to see more POV drives, let me know, because I do like making them. I like driving everywhere, so I'll just literally start the camera up and just do a few missions. Like even now, come from gym, film the video there, realize I'm coming back, I thought let's just film another POV drive, get a couple of minutes clips. I'll get like 7-8 minutes clips. So yeah, let me know guys, let me know, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Let me know what videos you guys want to see, and if there's any car you want me to do a POV drive on, let me know, I'll get it done.